Hi guys, welcome to Youth Girls of India. It's me Harsh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit on wondershare filmore. So guys, let's go on to the video. In this video, I am going to introduce all the things what are present in this software and also introduce it one by one and how to use it. These videos are two types. These videos are in two parts. This is the first part. So just follow it by the procedure. The next video will be upcoming soon. So first I click on the import section and I'm importing a video from my computer. I'm just browsing it from a file. So I think you know about that. I should not explain about that. So I'm clicking on to a video. If I click onto a video, the name of the video comes under the block, then click OK. It adds to the platform where we can view, do we need to add this video to our editing section. So first we can just play the video. After that we can click the plus sign and just add the video onto the platform where we can edit the video. So guys, has added a video. So after adding one video, I'm going to import another video from the same file. Importing that file. So again I imported a file. So I'm scrolling the line up to the end so that I can add a second video onto the end. The line, if the line is at the first, then if we add a video, the video goes to first. If we adjust it to the last, only it added to last. So guys, we can adjust the video's quality by clicking edit. So I clicked edit in the left side. So by clicking edit on the left side, and there are many options like we can adjust brightness, contrast, etc, etc, etc. So I'm clicking on a section called 3D. From there I can get many options like Batman 007 series, like James Bond series, many series type. It's a type of color we can add to our video. So I'm just showing you by adding all the things. You can view the change of color and change of view of the video. So now I'm checking on the speed. You can control the speed by decreasing the speed and increasing the speed. If we decrease the speed, the length of or the duration of the video increases. If we increase the speed, the duration of the video decreases. I think you all know about that, so I'm not explaining about that. Next I'm clicking on to the reverse mode. If we click on that, the video directly comes into reverse. Okay, I think you have understand how to edit a video. Now the makers of the software are given sample colors like black, blue, red, yellow. All sample colors are given by them. We can just put it on the starting, like use headphones as I do on my earlier videos. I'm just adding it like the previous clip I added. So next they are given a sample video. The software makers are given sample video like countdown 3, 2, 1, like that. There are many different countdowns. So if you saw my videos before, you may know that I added different types of countdowns on my videos. So like that, I'm also adding a command. I'm also adding a countdown to this video. So I'm just dragging the line. I don't know its real name, I just call it line. So I am dragging that line to the place where I want to add the video. Then clicking the plus sign, the video reaches to that position. By reaching to that position, the first video and the second video become a permanent or a continuous video. So They have given a lot of things for us. So next I'm going to a section called music. That is a very important element. I use music in all my videos till now. So click on music, and as adding the clip, it's the same procedure of adding the clip. So click on plus sign. You should download the music, or you can take it from your computer. I downloaded one music. I added it. It is directly perpendicularly down to the section of the clip of videos. You can see it. We can cut or change the position of the video. Now I am dragging and showing you that. We can change the position, or we can cut just like the video. We can edit it. I think you are seeing this music section. We can also control the volume of music. Next we are written to split. That tool with the sign of scissors shows how to split. By clicking on split, you can split the unwanted or edit, and you can edit up the unwanted clips or unwanted parts of the music. I just splitted the video, even the music, so you can see. And if you click on the splitted one, you can just delete it up. Okay guys, just click on that. If it shows a red one, I mean red boundary, then you can delete it. So next I'm going to text. It's a very important one. There are different types of text. Clicking on text, you can notice that where you applied the text, there will be a sign under that T. So click double tap on that. You will reach to a platform. You can edit the text. Backspace it. You can change the color and write what you want. I'm writing hi guys, welcome. So by this you can edit, or you can add the text onto a video, as I am adding welcome to my channel, or use headphones, thanks for watching. If you see my earlier videos, you can notice that. So I am editing using this app. This app is a great app. So you can look, I have edited hi guys, welcome to my channel. We can adjust the position of the text. I'm just adjusting it up. I think you're seeing this. So after typing this, you can click OK. So guys, as I said before, always in my videos, please like, subscribe and share to most of the people. This one also I added from this one as same. You can notice how beautiful is this text. So we can see in the next video, the part 2 of this video. So guys, it's a bye from YouTube, of India, and even from Harsh. So guys, wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.